Adventist vegetarian diabetics. Prove all things, hold fast that which is good.
The 8 Laws of Health. Pure air, sunlight, abstemiousness, rest, exercise, proper diet, the use of water, trust in divine power, these are the true remedies. Ellen G. White, Ministry of Healing, Nampa, Pacific Press, 1905, page 127. Nutrition. In order to maintain health, a sufficient supply of good nourishing food is needed. Focus on whole unprocessed foods. Eliminate highly processed refined foods, and foods containing trans fats. Some are still struggling with the SAD. Standard American diet. Some are following dietary recommendations of the ADA. American Diabetes Association. Some have chosen to eat a high-carb, low-fat vegan diet. Buzzword, plant-based. Some have chosen to eat a low-carb, high-fat, moderate protein diet. They may be vegan, vegetarian, or Adventist non-vegetarian. Exercise. Exercise is important to digestion, and to a healthy condition of body and mind. There is no exercise that can take the place of walking. By it, the circulation of the blood is greatly improved. Walking, in all cases where it is possible, is the best remedy for diseased bodies, because in this exercise all of the organs of the body are brought into use. What is the best exercise for you to improve or prevent diabetes? The answer: any exercise you enjoy enough to do every single day. I once asked my doctor if I needed to exercise every day. Her response: "Are you a diabetic every day?" Water. Water is the best liquid possible to cleanse the tissues. Sunlight. Sunlight is one of nature's most healing agents. Temperance, aka portion control. Portion control is key to accurate tracking. Keep a detailed food journal. You can't manage what you don't measure. Check your daily blood glucose and eat to your meter. Diabetics are entitled to the same normal blood sugars as non-diabetics. Dr. Richard K. Bernstein. God has given us an ample variety of healthful foods, and each person should choose from it the things that experience and sound judgment prove to be best suited to his, or her, own necessities. Prove all things, hold fast that which is good. 1 Thessalonians 5:21. What is success? Do what is right for you. No one else is walking in your shoes. Air. Breathing. In order to have good blood, we must breathe well. Full, deep inspirations of pure air, which fill the lungs with oxygen, purify the blood. Rest. Sleep. Sleep should be regular and abundant. Trust in divine power. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Proverbs 3:5. Light will come, joy will be ours, and the mists and clouds will be rolled back. Adventist Vegetarian Diabetics is a Facebook private group. The purpose of this group is to provide support, encouragement, affirmation, and information for diabetics who are also vegetarian and Seventh-day Adventist. You can request to join at www.facebook.com/group/Adventist Vegetarian Diabetics. You do not necessarily have to be a current or former Adventist to join, nor vegetarian. Though you should know that Adventists do not eat pork or shellfish, among other flesh foods described in Leviticus 11 and Deuteronomy 14. And you do not necessarily have to be diabetic, though you may have an interest in preventing diabetes or in helping a friend or family member with diabetes. Or you may consider yourself to be pre-diabetic, ex-diabetic, or a recovering diabetic. Copyright 2013. Adventist Vegetarian Diabetics. AdventistVegetarianDiabetics.com.
Visit our website at AdventistVegetarianDiabetics.com. Follow our blog at AdventistVegetarianDiabetics.com/blog posts. Subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/AdventistVegetarianDiabetics. Copyright by Adventist Vegetarian Diabetics.